Hi everybody, I'm here with a couple of book ideas in case you're looking for books to check out. I am going to very quickly go through the books in this slideshow, and then I will link it so that you can go in, click on the book, and read the full summary on the books that you are interested in. The Candle and the Flame is a new fantasy series. The Parker Inheritance is a mystery. It is a story about two kids spending the summer trying to unlock the code and find buried treasure from a letter that was written to their grandma. Troublemaker for Justice is nonfiction. It is the story of Bayard Rustin, the man behind the March on Washington. And Indian No More is a brand new book in our library by Charlene Willing McManus. Every Stolen Breath is a mystery thriller. The Swarm Killed Her Father. She is next. Medal of Honor, Jack Montgomery, World War II Gallantry at Anzio, is part of a new series called Medal of Honor. The series looks at soldiers in different eras and different conflicts. This series is going to be very popular with people who like historical fiction and action-adventure books. Susan Colasanti is one of our favorite authors. She writes contemporary romance. Her new book is called Now and Forever. Here to Stay is a contemporary sports story. Defy the Stars is a fantasy series. It is very much science fiction. Running with the Wolves is nonfiction. This is the true story of a family who spent a lot of time with the Sawtooth Wolf Pack doing research. And Orphan Monster Spy. This takes place during World War II. This book is going to be very popular with people who like historical fiction, especially historical fiction dealing with the Holocaust. And The Perfect Candidate. This is another thriller and looks to be super popular with people who like spy stories, mysteries, and thrillers. There is my super speedy book talk on these books. Like I said, look for the link because you will be able to click on each book and get a much more detailed summary. Have a good day. Email me with any questions.